The holidays are here, and that means hot cocoa, and we have to have a fun mug to drink it out of. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your very own cocoa mug using the drip method and Tulip's dimensional fabric paint and my favorite epoxy resin by Aleene's. All right, so here's what you need for today's project. We're going to be using our Tulip dimensional fabric paint. We're only going to be using the white out of this pack. We're also going to be using our Aleene's clear casting and coating epoxy resin. I've got some safety gear handy, plastic cups, stir sticks. We've got some adhesive vinyl and also an adhesive vinyl decal. We've got glitter and sprinkles, plus a stainless steel tumbler. All right, are you ready? Let's start making. For our first step, we're going to wrap our mug in adhesive glitter vinyl. I already have it cut to fit my mug. And then we're going to put our adhesive saying on top of it. For our next step, we're going to take our Tulip slick and we're going to make marshmallow drips coming from the top of our cup. For our next step, we're going to put some sprinkles and glitter in our dimensional fabric paint while it's still wet. All right, now we're gonna let our mug dry overnight before we add our epoxy resin. I'll see you tomorrow. Because I don't love how the vinyl is laying at the bottom of the mug, I'm gonna use my Turbo Tacky glue, and I'm gonna glue some trim around the bottom before I add my epoxy. For our next step, we're gonna mix up our Aleene's clear casting and coating epoxy resin. Make sure you've got your safety gear handy and all of your supplies before getting started. Once you're done mixing your epoxy, go ahead and put your tumbler on a spinner if you have it. If you don't, you can always do it off a spinner, but it makes it a little bit easier. Start your spinner and slowly start to pour your epoxy. I love the Aleene's epoxy resin because it's less odor, less bubbles, and it just works so great. Make sure that your tumbler is level before getting started. Once your tumbler is fully coated in epoxy, use your heat gun to eliminate any bubbles. And if you've got some extra epoxy, you may want to do another project. After 24 hours, we have our very own drip mug. Isn't this adorable to drink our hot cocoa out of for the holidays? I absolutely love how it turned out. It looks so cute, and it can even be a piece of decoration for the holidays. All right, to find more holiday projects like this and more, make sure to check out Tulip and Aleene's website. There's tons of stuff to get you ready for the holidays from creators like me. And in the meantime, make sure you check out my site, craftboxgirls.com, and follow me on social for more great projects using my favorite Aleene's and Tulip products. All right, friends, I'm ready for some hot cocoa. Happy holidays!